it's Skillbyte here. This video I'm going to show you how to swap out the wiper on a Dentside Ford F-150. This is a 79. They're the same for most of these older F-150s. So basically the instructions with these wiper blades are horrible bad. And you got this back here in the back. Of course you can't see right there. You need to push that down or push it like so. And then at the same time you want to pull out here, and that'll let you pull them off. There is no hook or anything else, just this piece here, and then there's a little thing, doesn't come out far enough, but there's a little spot on the back where that hook holds them in. So now you just take the new one, make sure it's got the piece here in the back. Slide it right in here. You gotta lift up. It is surprisingly hard to do this. Doesn't help that it's wet and cold out here. But you want to pull up here at the same time pushing it in. There we go. Now it's on. Now you got to do the other side. Yeah, these are a little harder than some others, but that's how you do them. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.